Hi there, it's Maria from the Tarot Shop here, and I have to admit that this is a deck I was quite keen to take a look at. Now, it's actually the original Petit Etteilla. This is a cartomancy deck, so it's not a tarot. It's kind of, I would imagine, like the founding deck before the Lenormand. And essentially, Etteilla is a pseudonym of Jean-Baptiste Aliette, and he changed his name to Etteilla. He was known to divination devotees as the father of cartomancy, because that's where it pretty much began. In 1770, manual he revised in 1773, so we're talking a long time ago. I'm afraid I won't be able to pronounce that, was the first book on how to divine from playing cards, and it remains the basis for many cartomantic decks and tarots today. Now, for the first time, Etteilla's manual is available in English, and this is the book here. This deck and guidebook gives readers a set of Petit Etteilla cards and a fully annotated translation of his text. The book explores how Etteilla's deck and interpretive methods serve as the foundation for decks to follow. Readers will learn each card's meaning both upright and reversed, and the significance of each card's placement in a spread. So in Etteilla's system, because remember that's his own system, each card's meaning and associated words are printed on the card, allowing readers the freedom to use intuition instead of memorizing the meaning of each card. I'll show you in a second what that looks like. Readers will also learn how to make their own decks to further personalize their connection with Etteilla's method. This book offers 8 spreads devised by Etteilla, with variations of each along with commentary, case studies and practices to enrich your understanding. Now, this was written by Caitlin Matthews, and Rebecca Birrell is the artist. So it's a rather large box, and inside it you've got this huge book and these tiny little cards. So you've got a big, because you've got basically the book is the tutorial essentially. Okay, so you've got essentially a tutorial, and many people will be really keen to get their hands on this. It's a beautiful, beautiful book. Very, very, very informative. Okay, so that's the book which comes with it. And let's have a little sneak peek at the cards. Now, they have got a beautiful back on them. I'd love to say more. I'm not quite sure what the design will have some sort of message behind it, but I don't know. So let me show you the cards and we can go up or down. Number 30. So we start here. Right. So you've got number 1, carte blanche. I love that. The man, woman, soldier, a letter, this will either call to you or you'll think, oh, I don't know if I could. I mean, it's really straightforward. I should have really had a little bit more time to be able to understand the system a little bit better for you, so that I could give you a little bit more knowledge. But as I say, if this appeals to you, then it's out and it's available now, and it's the first time that this piece of work has been done. So I'd be very interested to see what you think in the comments. You know, is this something you would consider as tarot readers? Beginners, I think beginners have got more than enough to be thinking about with the tarot, to be honest. But if this is something they fancy instead, or as well as at a later date, widow, divorced woman, delay, I guess that's how you read it, is house. I'm not quite sure how that was. So that's the Petit Etteilla by Caitlin Matthews and Rebecca Birrell, and it is now available everywhere, actually. Okay, I hope that you found that interesting. As I said, let me know what you think in the comments. I'd be really interested to hear. Thanks very much for your time. Bye-bye.